Hello and welcome dear traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is August 18 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Jakub Novak as usual. Market players ignore the data on foreign trade balance in the Eurozone, focusing on the strong labor market statistics from the US, which put pressure on the pair. But today, euro could correct upwards if CPI and core prices in the Eurozone show growth or remain at previous levels. A continued decrease, on the other hand, will fuel the decline in euro-dollar pair. For long positions, buy euro when the quote hits 1.0890 and take profit at the price of 1.0932. Growth will continue in case of good statistics in the Eurozone. However, when buying, make sure that the MACD line is above zero, or is starting to rise from it. Euro can also be bought after two consecutive price tests of 1.0872, but the MACD line should be in oversold area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0890 and 1.0932. For short positions, sell euro when the quote hits 1.0872 and take profit at the price of 1.0834. Pressure will increase in the event of inactivity at the daily highs, as that indicates the development of a downward trend. However, when selling, traders must ensure that the MACD line is below zero or is starting to drop down from it. Euro can also be sold after two consecutive price tests of 1.0890, but the MACD line should be in the overbought area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0872 and 1.0834. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Rikimovic. Gold has been trading sideways. At the price of 1892. But we still see the gold is in the downside channel, with no evidence for a reversal, due to the well-established downside trend and the lack of fall buyers at 1894. Petar sees potential for the further drop towards lower reference. Downside objective is set at the price of 1885. Stochastic oscillator is showing overbought condition with potential for bear cross. Resistance is set at the price of 1894. We've got a trading plan for AUD-USD currency pair, including stop hunting strategy, Andrei Shevchenko describes. Following a strong price decrease, AUD-USD went into correction, breaking a couple of extremes, but by the end of the day, it bounced back, providing favorable prices for opening long positions. considering the three-wave pattern A, B, C, where wave A represents yesterday's price movement, market players could open positions up to the 50% retracement Fibonacci level of 0.6412. Set stop loss at 0.6372 and take profit at the breakout of 0.6534. The main target will be 0.69. The trading idea came from the framework of the price action and stop hunting strategies. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with USDJPY pair focused. On Thursday, the yen strengthened by 50 points, fell on the chart, moving towards the support level of 144.73, which it couldn't overcome in 5 sessions at the end of June and the beginning of the July, and strongly pulled back to the downside. The MACD line 144.24 is approaching this support, ready to help the price in case it falls below 144.73. The signal line of the Marlin oscillator has rapidly falling, a sign of a correction in the short term. After it stops falling, we expect the pair to rise again to the embedded line price channel around the 147.92 mark. On the 4-hour chart, the price has consolidated below the MACD indicator line, its blue line on graphic, while the Marlin oscillator settled in the downtrend territory. We see a downtrend in a short-term period. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.